Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about how to set a default value for a field in Odoo12. So if I go to the appointments model, you can see we have already added a registration note here. Let's see how we can set a default value for this field. So the field name is, you can see once you place the mouse over the field in the debug mode, you will get the name of the field, that is field name is nodes. So if I go to the corresponding model, that is hospital appointment, and we have the field here. So let's see how we can set a default value for this field. For that, you have here in the field can add a default attribute, default equal to, you can call a function from here. I will add get default not, like that you can give a name. So here what I have done is I will add default equal to, and then I have to define a function in the given name. So I will define the function here. So diff, I'll paste the function name and inside the bracket self. Then from here I can return the default value for that field. So as it is a char field, I can easily return a character value from here. I will add a default value like subscribe our YouTube channel, like that I will give a value subscribe our YouTube channel. So what I have done is, along with the field, I have added default equal to a function name, and the function is defined here. From the inside of the function, I just return a string value, that is subscribe our YouTube channel. Now I will restart the service as I have made the changes inside the Python. Okay, now service is getting restarted. Once you can see, once earlier we have opened the record, the registration note is empty. Now I will go back and come again to the same screen. So if I create it again, you can see subscribe our YouTube channel has come as the default value in that field. So if you want to change that text you have given, subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can change the text like this, like it, and I'll just restart the service again. You can see the text coming here will get changed. Now I will go back and I'll come again to the screen. You can see subscribe our YouTube channel and like it. So this is how you can easily set a default value for the field. Now I have shown it for the character field. If we have doing it for a many to one field, that is patient, here we have patient.id. I will copy this default tag from here, Control X, so that it will get from there, gone from there, and I will paste it here. Here we cannot return a string value. As it is a many to one field, we have to return the ID of the ID of the record home, which we have to set as the default value. So if I go to the corresponding model, that is patient model, and I will check for an ID of a record. Suppose if Odoo has to become by default there, I can take its ID from here, that is view metadata. If I click on view metadata, I can get the ID of the record, that's 1. So I will return 1 from here. Rather than returning a string, I will return 1 from here, the ID of the record, which has to become as a default. So what here I have done is I have moved the default value for the patient ID and return 1, which is the ID of the Odoo mains patient. So I have restarted the service, and now if I go to the appointment, you can see earlier when we have checked it, there is no patients by default coming. If I create a new record, you can see Odoo is coming by default there. So if I need to change to some other patient like Yasin, I can get its ID from here. It's here in the URL itself, ID equal to 10. Still I will check the view metadata. You can see ID equal to 10. Now if I change the ID equal to 10 here, okay, now if I go to the appointment screen, by default you can see the patient in the appointment will be Yasin. So this is how you can set a default value for a field in Odoo. If you have any queries, you can comment it out. We will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you.